rely on Him to help you do things from glory to glory, okay? So don't just let go of if anyone's in here feeling like that's them. No, not here, okay? You're gonna come out with something beautiful. Whether you make a sunset, a sunrise, or it's blobs on a tile, you're gonna come out with what He intended you to come out with here. And that's okay. Everyone's gonna create something different. It's all gonna look different. A lot of paint classes, you have these copied paintings. Everyone's pretty much looks different. I do not do my classes like that because that's like an unfair comparison to try to make something look like someone else's, okay? Inside of you is your own creativity. What God placed inside of you is different from one person to the next. You're not copies of each other. You're each uniquely different. So,